how to enable double opt-in on Beehiiv. In this video, I'll show you how to enable double opt-in on Beehiiv. So to get started, go ahead and open beehiiv.com into your preferred browser, and then go ahead and sign into your Beehiiv account. Now, once you're signed in, click on the settings button at the bottom left of your screen, and then in here, go ahead and click on this emails tab at the left side of your screen. And then once you click on that, go ahead and look for preset emails in this page. So scroll down and then look for that specific section, and then under that you'll find double opt-in email toggle. So simply enable this double opt-in email, and this activates the double opt-in process for new subscribers. So once you click on this double opt-in email to edit, such as clicking on this view opt-in email, you can go ahead and set the subject line, body text, button label, and the redirect URL after confirmation of this specific email. So once you're done customizing, you can go ahead and save it, and your double opt-in flow is now active. So when someone subscribes, they'll receive a confirmation email, and they must click the link to verify their subscription. Only confirmed subscribers would be added to your list, and that is how you can basically enable and use double opt-in on Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.